100 shotguns.
Why would you do that? That was not nice.
Stinky, smelly. Beep, beep, poo, poo, geek, beep, beep, beep,
Yeah, that's not nice.
got. Beep, 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 pop, beep, poop.
Aren't you even seen? I had no ammo.
Okay, bro.
Could you buy me
Hey,
some
how do I
ammo?
reload my gun?
No, you must get
Guys,
your
how
own
do
gun.
reload my
Just because I have a
gun?
lot of money doesn't mean
You
I
press-
can buy it. Anybody need some
You
free ammo?
for this end. For you press A. You press A.
Anybody
I know,
want some
but
ammo?
I can't buy the bullets.
Me?
'cause
Can you reload this
keep
for me?
Killing me.
Okay, don't shoot me in the ground. Don't shoot me in the ground.
I won't.
Wait, Jet,
To everybody.
What the hell?
I won't.
Okay, which gun? Which gun?
This one. Load it.
That
Hurry.
one?
Why is someone
Open the door.
But no, not me.
All I need is I'm reporting you. I'm reporting you, Green.
Bro, everybody's doing it and you're reporting me?
Yeah. What's your name?
Bro, you're so gay.
You gotta be in the Discord.
Oh, yay. Did you say
Report people.
Ammo gun. Let's go.
Yo, can you read my number, bro? I can't read it. Yo,
how do I get
can you
ammo?
read this?
How do I get ammo?
Let me see it.
Come, you gotta buy over there. There's a machine for ammo over there.
Yes! Baby!
Can you buy me? Can you buy me some shotgun?
Call me baby. She.
Hey,
No one can kill me with a shotgun. Y'all are so bad.
Green.
I'm right here. I'm right
Put the
here.
ammo in.
On the bench.
Wait, how do I put this in?
Don't put it in.
You put it in. That's how burn it.
Oh yeah, you also.
But I can't. Oh my god!
You're so bad.
Bro. Stupid Green keeps trying to shoot me down.
Yeah, I'm trying to clap y'all.
I'm never giving him ammo again.
Nobody can kill me with a
I
shotgun.
do have a free ammo, but I ain't giving it to anyone else except Green. Damn it. I'll give it to any. Oh my god. We got purple, which is in the map.
Yeah, I shoved purple into the ground.
Green, look my phone.
Bro, Red almost got clapped.
Bruh. Lucky did one of my shotguns.
Bro,
Thank you.
give me.
Look, hit the shotguns are around the map because I've been shooting them now.
Blue, wait for me. Blue, wait for me.
Oh, who wants to get clapped next? Who? Huh? Who?
Me.
Oh, you? Okay, come on. Stand still. Stand still.
I bet.
Okay, sure, no, sure. Come on, here. Actually, for real.
Damn.
Okay.
Wait, damn.
Bro, he got clapped. Pink, you got clapped.
Bro, I saw the whole universe, bro.
Yeah, purple. Yeah, bro. Pink, you were like, yeah. Nah, Pink was like, I believe I can fly. Okay. Hey, that's mine. Bro, give me.
Yo, wait, don't activate. Don't activate him yet. I need to
Pink,
get
can you
my
reload this gun for me, please? Please, Pink, please.
What gun?
I'm gonna go get the fish monster because I'm
Okay,
so
thank
sick.
you. Oh, you're clapped.
Bro.
Is it
I'm
just
the
me, or
alpha.
do you see guys? Oh, do you guys see these 40?
Bro just
Nah.
left the game.
Nah, what's
He
this?
didn't even wanna
Take
be-
my alpha juking, bro.
So you're Alpha
Roger,
Group-
Roger.
Pink, you wanna go to the?
everybody
You wanna
decided to go
go
home
get down
today?
again?
Me,
They left for work
Okay.
early.
me.
They went home.
What?
Crazy.
Yeah, they went
Now
fucking
you're
home,
in the
bro. I can't
ground.
see the angle or anywhere. Actually, let's go into. Bro, I can't even find the red light, green light monster.
Oh crap.
Yo, wait, let me get ammo. There's absolutely nothing! No loot, no enemies, there's nothing! Yo, everyone, I thought I was gonna go fishing today, but the only thing I'm getting right now is nothing!
Rain, shoot me the gun.
It won't work, right?
Nah.
It has to hit your head, and it won't work. You want to get clapped? You want to get clapped?
He
Okay.
decided to leave the game.
Is my head poking out?
No, dude, it's not.
Yeah.
Nah,
Report Purple! Purple, I'm reporting you to the Discord. That's not reportable.
Bro's really gonna report bro for doing nothing.
Oh my god, that's my only source of income.
Bro's reporting bro for breathing air.
I'm sick today, apparently.
bro, stop it.
That Chris decided to leave for
Get
fucking
clapped!
word. What the hell?
Yo, Green, get over
See an
here. You stole
angler
my
fish,
shotgun.
and all I
Where's
found
my
was
shotgun?
angling nothing.
Yeah, your shotgun's right there.
Wait, I'm out of here. There might be nothing
Hey, Red.
in the
Hey,
tunnel.
don't kill me. Don't kill me.
Tunnel.
Don't kill me.
Yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing. The fuck? Where's the fucking incinerator? What the fuck? What? Fuck? Bro, this devious link is a little too deep. Bro, what the fuck? Pack up and go. There's absolutely no incinerator.
Bro!
No.
You can't kill me, I'm just better.
Get clapped!
What the actual
No, who
hell?
wants to get clapped, you?
Bro, everything went
Get clapped!
Bro, I
Bro,
swear.
you're so fucking ass, you just wasted
This is
all
my
my
shit, bro.
No!
That's what I thought, Green. Your ammo.
No, everything.
You're telling me even though
Bro, leave me alone. Bro, go away!
So you're saying everything just left home except for us? Like even the selling machine.
You're
Womp
crazy.
womp. No, it's a shotgun now! Pig, don't try to how to get killed. These kids are so mad.
Yo, you wasted 10
Oh, you want to go in the clap?
just for there nothing to be.
He got clapped by me. I clapped him for you guys. I clapped him for you guys.
Thank you for your
thanks
You're welcome. You're welcome. Hey,
I'm not gonna lie. I just
Jeez,
used a
bro.
shopping center.
They're building something.
Loot.
Yo, Purple. Since there's no amnesty,
Look how much loot! She's building. I have an idea, but it might be dumb.
What is that?
So Sony, building right now. 20K. I'm gonna fly to the light at the ocean.
Hey, can someone get me Oh, Green. Let me get you some ammo.
Yo, wait.
Oh, please.
There's a jackass to the.
What the?
Ain't no way.
Hey, good job.
Ain't no way.
Hold on, can I get
Purple
some? Can I get?
just
Can
blew
I
up
get a gun?
right behind.
No.
Can you buy me one? Can you buy me
I
one?
think we're in a simulation, guys.
Yo, bomb bucket!
Boom.
Hold on. Are you telling me everyone died? Guys, come here.
Pink, give me my shotties, bro.
There's
Pink,
an invisible wall right there. You can't.
give me.
I tried it too.
Okay, well that was a crazy vid.
Bro.
Peace out, guys.
I wish I could